Here is a question to find out the static friction, coefficient of static friction. And the data given is, see the data given. A piece of bacon starts to slide down the pan when one side of a pan is raised up 5 centimeters. If the length of the pan from the pivot to the rising point is 23.5 centimeters, what is the coefficient of static friction between the pan and the bacon? Okay, now let us try to draw the diagram. Here he is saying that one side of the pan is raised up 5 centimeters. So this is 5 centimeters. Okay. And then the length of the pan from the pivot to the rising point is 23.5 centimeters. This is given as 23.5 centimeters. Okay. Now you have to find out the static friction. Coefficient of static friction is mu s. Question mark. Okay. So how to find QS? It's a simple. Actually, if you know the formula, mu s is equal to tan theta. If you find the theta and then tan theta, then easy to calculate the tan theta, mu s you can find out. So to find out the theta, this is the theta, we use the formula sin theta is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. Okay, here what we have to do is 23.5, 5 divided by 23.5. And then theta is equal to sine inverse. What is the value of 25 divided by 23.5? 0.2127. So sine inverse 0.2127 gives the value of theta. So theta is equal to 0.2127. So sine inverse gives it 12.57. And then mu s is equal to tan theta. We have to find out tan 12.57. This is the answer. What is the answer? .21. Okay. Now you may be wondering how I got mu s is equal to tan theta. That I will explain to you. Suppose if an object is on an inclined plane, the incline has an angle of inclination theta, and then the object, obviously, if no force is acting on it, only the gravity acts on the object slides down. Okay, so what are the forces acting on it? The weight of the object acting vertically downwards. Okay, this is Fg. Fg is nothing but mg. And then here is the normal force, Fn. And then here is the frictional force, F friction. Am I right? Because the object is sliding down. This is the direction of motion of the object. This is in this direction the object moves. So the friction will be in the opposite direction F. Now we have to take the resultant of normal force and the friction force. So this becomes the resultant. Okay. Now this is the angle made by the resultant with the normal. Okay. So now we will write the equation tan theta. Tan theta is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. Here opposite side is this one. So F friction. So this will be F friction divided by Fn. Okay, we know F friction is equal to mu Fn. Agree? Now I will substitute the value here, mu Fn over Fn. Thus, tan theta is equal to mu. This is how I got the value. Mu is equal to tan theta. So mu is nothing but the coefficient of friction. Here he is asking the static friction. So coefficient of static friction is equal to tan theta. That is the answer. Hope this helps. Thank you. Bye-bye.